Good afternoon. Welcome to the hotel.
Good afternoon.
How may I help you today?
I would like to check in, please.
Of course. May I have your name?
My name is Daisy Miller.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Let me check your reservation. Yes, I see your booking here.
That's good.
Did you book online?
Yes, I booked it last week.
Perfect. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. He checks the details. You will stay for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am.
Is this your first time in the city?
Yes, it is. I'm very excited.
That's wonderful. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. The hotel looks very nice.
We are happy to hear that.
The lobby is beautiful and clean.
Thank you very much.
The trip was long, so I'm glad to arrive.
Traveling can be tiring.
Yes, but I'm happy to be here.
We will make your stay comfortable.
I appreciate that.
Please sign this check-in form.
Okay. I signed slowly. Is everything correct?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Good.
Your room is on the 5th floor.
What is the room number?
Room 512.
That sounds great.
Here is your key card.
Thank you.
Please keep it with you at all times.
I will.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is included.
That's nice.
We also have room service.
Oh, good to know.
The Wi-Fi is free.
Wonderful.
The password is written on the card.
Thank you.
The elevator is on your left.
Perfect.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I can carry it.
All right.
Everything sounds easy.
If you need anything, please call the front desk.
I will.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Hello, how can I help you? Hi, I have a few questions about my room. Of course, tell me. The air conditioning feels too cold. You can change the temperature on the wall panel. I tried, but I'm not sure how. I understand. Could someone help me? Yes, I will send someone to your room. Thank you. Is there anything else? How do I use the safe? There are instructions inside. Okay, I will check again. If you need help, just call us. Thank you. Is your room comfortable? Yes, very comfortable. That's good to hear. The bed is soft and clean. We're glad you like it. Everyone here is very kind. Thank you. I appreciate your help. You're welcome.
Good evening. How is your room?
Good evening. My room is wonderful.
That's great.
The temperature is perfect now.
I'm glad it worked.
Thank you for helping me earlier.
It's our pleasure.
I feel relaxed now.
That's what we want.
I plan to explore tomorrow.
The city is beautiful in the morning.
I'm excited.
Do you need directions?
Maybe tomorrow.
We're here anytime.
Thank you.
Enjoy your evening.
You too.
Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, very well. That's nice. Breakfast was delicious. We're happy you enjoyed it. Thank you for making my stay easy. We are glad to help. Checking in was simple because of you. That's good to hear. I feel confident traveling now. That's wonderful. Thank you again. Have a great day. I will.